Everyone, it's your girl Opeyemi AYEOLA. Before I go into today's ranting, let me do my hair very well. Then be me daddy. First of all, I would like to appreciate beautiful people, my wonderful people with a heart of gold. And who are these special people? Those beautiful people who have decided to come into my WhatsApp and into my DM in concern for my beautiful hair, trying to, some of you are trying to sell me hair product to help with my hair loss. A lot of you are trying to suggest products, and some of you have even taken it upon yourself to ask me to send you my address so you can buy this product on my behalf and send me those products. I want to appreciate all of you. God bless you. But my beautiful people, thank you. I don't need it. God bless you. I am beautiful and wonderfully made. I am surrounded by beautiful people who love me just the way I am. This live stream is for Eniola Badmus. I have decided not to pay attention to wailing wailers. I have decided, and which is just my thing, not to pay attention to ignorant, evil set of people. I understand the way social media is, and genuinely I understand that there are a lot of people that are animals in human form. But I have only decided to reply Eniola Badmus, and that is the comment that Eniola dropped on my on one of my videos, and with a lot of likes and ignorant people like herself. And why have I decided to do this? Eniola Kubama Jewo. And why? Because you, Eniola, used to be an image of ridicule and self kilomangbe. You used to be an image of ridicule and body shaming on social media. To now think that you, Eniola, who have experienced the hurt, the pain of body shaming, could come under my video. You have never helped in promoting anything that has to do with me. You rarely drop comments on my videos. You rarely even like my videos. You rarely even interact with anything that has to do with me. And I'm not offended by it, because I really do say to a lot of my other colleagues and a lot of people. But for you, Eniola Badmus, to come under my post and drop this comment, a lie. Mumotele, genuinely, I know, I am not ignorant of the fact that, there are so many evil people out there, but not somebody of your caliber, especially somebody who have experienced the hurt and the pain of being body shamed. What exactly is funny? What exactly is that statement for? What? You are funny. You are beautiful. You are beautiful. Eniola, you are beautiful. You are beautiful. You see yourself in the mirror and all you see is beauty. You think a human being's physical appearance is what beauty is all about? You are ignorant. The only thing you have expressed is your ignorance. And not only have you expressed your ignorance, Eniola Badmus, you have also expressed yourself, exactly who you are, what you stand for. And I pity the people who have you around as their friend. Because it may have you nija. It may have you danko body. I don't know. You don't know whether I exist. I don't even know whether you exist. You've never celebrated me. I've never celebrated you. For you to come under my post, drop this comment. You have only shown the entire world what you are made of. The true you, your real self. And for that, I pity you. Alone. You don't know what true love is all about. That's the only thing I can say. You don't know what genuine love is all about. That is why people like you, Eniola Badmus, who have, especially people who have experienced something. Okay, God has answered your prayer. You've done surgery. You've looked in the mirror. You feel you look beautiful. And the only validation you can give yourself is coming under my post to drop this. Public figure. Somebody who should be fighting for the youth. Somebody who has been placed in a political, who the government has trusted to place you in a political position. Somebody who youth have trust to follow you. Anyway, I know what Nigerians stand for. But I want to seize the opportunity to appreciate beautiful souls and beautiful people. Beautiful souls and beautiful people. I will classify Eniola Badmus, apart from being an animal, and apart from being ignorant, I will also classify you as a zombie. And who do I consider a zombie? Zombies are oku, bi alaye, abi alaye, bi oku, pick any of the above, without conscience. Without a heart. I'm a zombie one, a conscience one, a heart. Because anything one, a jet. Because anything one, a koju jako. Ocean, you don't have to. Wako koju jako, shine, they just grab you. You are a zombie. And once again, I pity wonderful people who think you are a human being and have surrounded you. For whatever reason. Eniola. It is well. Wajiri show well. Eniola. Wajiri show well, inshallah. Minikiti yon komadari. Mi jite yon rori láti jọ́ tí mo ti mu àbí tí mo ti wọ ní industry àdàbí. Minikiti yon komadari mi bote yon rori. Ye te yon kon rori. Mi robi royan. Mi fe yon kan ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́ rí. Mi tí má te má fi yon kan ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́ láàrin èmi àtàwọn tèmi. But for you to come on social media and make a public shame of yourself. Wàhálà tiẹ̀ nìyẹn. Once again, I want to appreciate my beautiful people. Thank you so much for the love. People who appreciate me for who I am, who love me just the way I am and how I look, no matter how far my head goes, no matter even if, God forbid, tomorrow I lose this arm or I become so mega big or do me woo, etemi. God bless you. I appreciate you. Me wa yinti. Me ne wa yinti ene wa neti.
So, ṣé mo bí kálukú ṣe lè react sí ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ni. Ìgbà tó wá ṣe fídíò yẹn láti fi reply Eniola Badmus nínú fídíò yẹn ebú yẹn pọ̀ gan o bá ṣe wá rí Eniola nìyẹn tó wá lọ comment síbẹ̀ ó ní babe I was just joking with you and heaven sees my heart that it is coming from a place of love and based on our relationship but if you find it offensive no vex abeg no vex ó wá tag síbẹ̀ at Opeyemi AYEOLA 1 ó ní kó má bínú àdẹ̀rẹ̀ àwọn ìkọ̀líkì wọn náà táwọn náà dẹ̀ ti bọ́ sínú comment section tí wọ́n ti sọ pé kó má bínú àríbí ìgbà Akínsànyà a lot of àwọn kọ̀líkì wọn ní kí Eniola jọ kó má bínú kó jẹ́ kó slide because ìgbà tá a rí fídíò ẹ̀ lánàá bó ṣe lọ live stream ó yọ ebú sí Eniola lára ó yọ ebú sí lára back to back ebú yẹn ti ẹ̀ pọ̀ so ó wá ní Eniola wá bọ́ tàǹsì tó wá comment sunday post yẹn ó ní kó má bínú ó ní Ọlọ́run rí ọkàn wípé ìfẹ́ lòun fi sọ pé òun mí nìyẹn ní ham. Eniola Badmus, gbajúgbajà òṣèré ní tíátà wa ó ti bọ́ta.
To see if I give a fuck, you know.